Hello everybody and welcome to Lingoverse. I'm Laura and in today's lesson we're going to focus on adjectives. But not just any adjectives. Adjectives that can have a double form. They can either end in ed or they can end in ing. Yes, Laura, this lesson is going to be so interesting. Interesting? I think I'm a bit confusing. Confused? I need this lesson. At first, it might seem a bit tricky to know when to use an adjective ending in ed and when to use one ending in ing. But believe me, after watching this lesson, it's going to be very clear how different these forms are and when we should use each of them. And just before we start, double check that you're already a member of our Lingoverse community by subscribing to this channel and turning the notifications on. That way, you won't miss any of the lessons that I'm preparing for you. And remember as well that in the description box you can find a link to my online conversation class, where you'll have the chance of practicing what you're learning today with me and many other very interesting people from all over the world. Coming back to our lesson today, I often hear people using these two adjective forms incorrectly. Well, here I am to give you a hand. Someone said before, I'm a bit confused and I'm a bit confusing. Why are these two forms different? Adjectives ending in ed describe emotions, the way we feel about something. So I'm a bit confused actually means I feel confused. Maybe because the instructions aren't clear or the map is very difficult for me to understand and I feel confused. I don't know very well what I have to do. Adjectives ending in ing describe what creates that emotion, what makes us feel that way. So I'm a bit confusing actually means I make other people feel confused. I create that emotion in them. Maybe because I speak too fast, or because I say something and then I say something else and they can't follow me. In any case, I make them feel confused. I create that emotion in them. I am confusing. Excuse me? Yes. How can I get to the library? That's very easy. You just have to go straight on and at the traffic light take the third turning on the right. And that's it. It's very easy. It was a bit confusing. I'm a bit confused. Let me give you now a few more examples. This movie is absolutely terrifying. It's really scary. It makes me feel totally terrified. I've just come back from Miami. It's been such an amazing experience. Actually, I have visited so many places and I've just bought a new car as well. It's really nice. I run my own company and I have so many things to do. My life is so busy, and I meet so many people every day. People who only speak about themselves are so boring. They make me feel so bored. As I was saying, I have so many projects in mind. Soon I'm going to travel too. I find books about communication really interesting. They have very interesting ideas. I'm very interested in reading them. People who play the piano are just amazing. I'm always amazed when I listen to them. Making that annoying sound, it's making me feel really annoyed. Excuse me, will you stop, please? Thank you. So remember, adjectives with ed talk about the way we feel, and adjectives with ing talk about what or who creates that feeling. Alright? It's time to practice a little bit now. I'm going to show you a few sentences and I would like you to decide whether the adjective form used in that sentence is correct or incorrect. Okay? Are you ready? The food we tried at the restaurant was disgusting. Correct or incorrect? What do you think? This sentence is incorrect. The food we tried at the restaurant was disgusting. Yuck. And as a consequence, I felt absolutely disgusted. I'm not coming back. I'm really excited about my next birthday. Correct or incorrect? Think about it. This sentence is correct. I'm really excited. That's the way I feel, because seeing my family, my friends, and celebrating all together is going to be really exciting. My exam results were really disappointed. Correct or incorrect? What can it be? This sentence is incorrect. My results were really bad. They were really disappointing. And because of that, I felt really disappointed. How did you feel? Was it good? I hope so. If you found this lesson useful, like it and share it with your friends. And you may find very useful as well all the stuff we've prepared for you in our social media, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, where you can find more resources, mini lessons, games and much more. I'll see you again very soon. And until then, you can subscribe to this channel and have a look at any of these two amazing lessons. How to pronounce ed endings, very useful for the lesson we've had today, and how to memorize vocabulary. Take care of yourselves and practice this, enjoy it and share it.